Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alvin. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, you are one of my best people and persons. I am so glad that you could join us, and I pray that today the Lord brings you an opportunity to seize the moment and to be great. Anyway, so this channel is about fitness, femininity, and anything legal.
Guys, where are the bathrooms here?
I saw over there.
Oh yeah, let me take a picture of my shoes. I wish I took a picture of my shoes before coming.
But it was adventurous. We had fun. Would I come back here again? Most definitely, I'll come back here. I survived.
How many are going to do this?
No, I was the last one, but I survived.
Three.
Where are we going, guys? Lucy, where are we going? Where are we going, Agnes? You don't know? No. Going Mercy. Where are we going? Kenya. I don't know where you're going. I'll take you to Nija. Come with me, guys, as we go for an outdoor activity in Arusha. So we stopped at village supermarket just to get some supplies, which is water and some drinks that we'll use on the trip. Again. You've gotten sugar cane. Slinde. Yes.
Yeah, best thing has gone back.
You say something.
Now
Why are you
a problem
behaving
like our
like that?
lecturer wants you to say negligible.
Negligible.
Yeah, tonic water or
Yeah, exactly.
but even water. I like it with
Content
ice.
creator. Content. Yeah. You know this. At the back. Yeah, your voices. On our way, we found this truck that had overturned, and it was carrying Pepsi soda. And the residents were actually collecting from the truck. So that was so unfortunate. So guys, like I have been telling you, Arusha is beautiful, and you can see just how beautiful the place is. because of the rain, the road and the road was not so good, so we got stuck like almost twice. At this point we were getting off so that our driver can navigate, but at this point we were almost there, so yeah, we just walked a bit and we were almost there. You could see, now you can see Mount Meru. We're almost getting to the place we were going.
He likes hard things. He's a man now. We're hiking. And you guys. Oh, guys,
So guys, at this point the destination was just at the corner, so we just walked up to the destination, and of course we were having fun. We took photos, it was just good vibes, and yeah, it was amazing.
tuko watu wa saba.
Watu saba. Watu wa Tanzania.
Tanzania, East Africa.
Nchi gani?
Kenya, mimi nimetoka Kenya. Nimetoka Uganda. Moja tu. Address Arusha. We are 7 plus 3.
Yeah. Activity.
Tunaenda quad
Biking,
zip lining,
waterfall.
Andika moja kati ya
waterfall. Cash. Wacha tutaongeza hiyo. Saini sanga.
What this is?
Okay, so ni pesa ngapi?
I know you guys want to know what he was telling me, but I'm not gonna tell you guys, not this time.
You guys, it's 2 hours, man. Are you ready?
Travis is going to faint. You hear that? 2 hours to the waterfall.
Are you ready?
Come on, let's see how it goes.
At this point we were in the middle of the forest, and as you guys have seen, there are steps that are there that would help us walk. So our guide was telling us that actually the steps were not there, they have just been built the other day. Guys just used to walk like that, and it was very problematic and dangerous because guys would fall and trip and all that. So it's a privilege that now they have put steps. As you guys would have predicted, it started raining.
Agnes, run! Almost crying in the jungle.
So we continued walking, and man, I just loved the energy.
the waterfall. Not yet. Woo.
Now I decided to rinse off my face and my hair. There was something that was coming from my hair that was getting into my eyes, and it was really disturbing me. And walking barefoot, like you've seen, it was such a hassle for me. And we still had a long way to go at this point, a very long way to go.
I'm coming.
We are finally here.
We are with the content creator. And yet we
have walked.
And yet we are one team.
45,
you guys just left.
4.5 kilometers. Yeah, this one is just winding here. Please ignore him. Hey, yo, you guys, we have walked 4.5 km or even more. Let me show you guys how I look. See, guys, this is how I look.
I saw it's over there.
Oh yeah, let me take a picture of my shoes. I wish I took a picture of my shoes before coming.
But it was adventurous. We've had fun. Would I come back here again? Most definitely, I'll come back here. I survived.
How many
No, I was the last one, but I
We are
survived. Are you ready for zip lining, guys? Are you ready for zip lining? See, are you ready?
I'm ready, Mama. I'm ready.
Wow. By the time I was doing my zip lining, it was already night. It was already getting dark. So some guys did the archery, then there was the squad bikes, and some of us also did the zip lining. So those were really the fun activities that were there, and it was very, very fun. That was the best burger that I ever tasted. If you're in Arusha, go to Lebanese burger joints. You'll get the best burger. Anyway, I didn't feel anything back because I was super tired. But that was how we spent our adventure. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That brings us to the end of our adventure, and thank you for having us, Napuru Waterfalls. It was such an amazing experience. Bye. Happy momentum.